Part two. So Tumi thought that ladies want him, and he's a man, a man of the house. Ladies want him. Unfortunately, it wasn't like that. So while he was, having the fight with Didi and the Buhle B, and then everyone was like looking at them now, what's going on? And then it shockingly that Liema was kind of like, why are they fighting with my man? Sort of, you know. And then find out that he wanted Liema, he wanted Didi, he wanted Nelisa as well, and also Buhle B. And then while they were busy, now it's trying to calm the situation down. They came up with a game, let's play a game, let's play a game. And then did initiate the game. Then Liema came up with the suggestion that they must play a game whereby you say something about one of the housemates. Some they didn't play, some they did. And then to cut the story short, while the game plays, there was a point whereby now is a turn for who's this Buhle B to ask, or to say something about any housemate. And then Buhle B was like, okay, cool, guys, I see what you are doing. You compliment each other or say something about each other. Can I have a question? Then like, no, you can ask or compliment someone. Then she went straight to Liema, like, hey Liema, what's going on between you and the TUMI? And like, what? Then that's where the drama started again. Liema tried to explain that no, there's nothing's going on between me and him. I said his body remind me my ex, blah 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 blah. Then cool, we sees that, and then Liam was like, okay, but this guy was trying to playing a game like what do you call what that, like unchama, sort of unchama, and then I also play along. And then I'm not here for Jolo, I'm not here for date or whatsoever, but this guy, if he plays, I'm gonna play along. And then like, okay, Buhle B was asking that question. Like, okay. So everyone was like, okay, cool, so we hear you. But why are you doing that? Because you know that Buhle B is close to, or they're building something with Tumi. And then Liema revealed that I told you, Buhle B, that don't take everything personal. This guy is playing you, this guy, this and that. But why were now you going to him, And then she tried to defend herself, this and that. But I like the way the ladies they exposed to me that he's a player, and to me, he eventually he revealed that, guys, I was trying to play a game, but when I do this, I fumble and I'm sorry. No, he didn't say I'm sorry. He keep on defending himself, like, no man, stop that, just apologize that you make a mistake, but eventually also revealed that, hey man, me and you, Buhle B, I told you that since people think me and you and they see us, let's trying to play a game, let's go out. Buhle B said, yes, we did spoke about it, but I never confirmed it. So yeah man, so I don't know, I think to me was really exposed, and I like the way they exposed him. I think he's going to learn from his mistake and stop what he's trying to do, and it's going to swallow his ego and go forward with Buhle B and fix their things. But if they doesn't, it's still cool, but I think people think that to me he lost the game, and he was supposed to be truth to himself and be himself, stop what he's trying to do just because they have got six-pack or his body, so yeah man, that's what happened last night. And I think from there, to me, he felt bad, that wow, now these people, the game, it was just a game, normal game, jiggy jiggy, the game is all about me now, because everyone was like saying his point, everyone was blaming to me, even though he was trying, no guys, it's not like that, but everyone's blaming him, because even Liema, I think she's no longer interested to him, I think, after what everyone exposed about him. I think even Didi was really protecting so-called friend, Buhle that, hey man, you can't do this, you can't do this to my friend, this and that. I didn't know that they are friend, but hey man, it is what it is.